Hey, what's up guys? Make sure you stick around and check this video out. I'm about to give you a cool workout that you can do 2 or 3 times a week to help you get ripped and get lean as quickly as possible. What's up, man? Gary Walker here with liveanabolic.com. I'm about to take you through a cool workout. It's a hybrid style workout, all right? Something that you can do 3 times a week. Even if you're starting off and you're not quite at a fitness level that you can do 3 times a week, you can at least do 2 times a week, all right? It's that beneficial. So basically what you're gonna be doing is you're gonna be combining strength training exercises with some metabolic boosting exercises, all right? And you're gonna do them together as supersets. So it's a cool hybrid type of program that's gonna create a ton of benefits. You're gonna get a lot of testosterone boosting benefits and specifically growth hormone boosting benefits because you're gonna be creating a lot of lactic acid in your muscles, all right? So what that basically means is you're gonna be driving a ton of blood, lactic acid, growth hormone into your legs and your chest and your shoulders and your back. So you're gonna get tremendous benefits, all right? So that being said, let's go ahead and get into the groupings and the exercises, all right? The one thing you're gonna wanna focus on when you're doing these is you're gonna wanna do the resistance training for 2 sets. So the first one we're gonna go with is front squats. So shoot for 8 to 10 reps, all right? Make sure you're challenging yourself with the weight. You should be struggling to get the 8 to 10 reps. So really push that rep range, all right? You're gonna wanna go, make sure you're maintaining a tight and rigid core, rigid spine, break at the hips before you drop down. So basically get a hip hinge going before you drop. Hip hinge and then sit down as far as you possibly can. Make sure your shoulders are held back, chest up nice and tall. Keep your elbows up tall so you can hold the weight on your shoulders, all right? This is gonna be the primary setup for your front squats. Right after you do your first set of 8 to 10, you're gonna rest 60 seconds. That's all the rest you're gonna be getting between these, all right? And then you're gonna go straight into your second set of another 8 to 10 reps. Immediately after your second set, you're gonna rack that weight and go straight into body weight squats, all right? 30 to 50 reps is your goal. That's what's gonna be driving that lactic acid and providing tremendous growth hormone benefits. So immediately after the 30 to 50 reps, you're gonna rest 60 to 90 seconds depending on your fitness level before getting into the second grouping, all right? So the second grouping, you're gonna start with your chest. And for this exercise, for this workout, we're gonna go with a dumbbell incline press. So with the dumbbell incline press, the goal here, make sure you're keeping your lower back driven into that pad, all right? Keep it back, keep it locked in. Don't get a super arch in your lower back. You wanna make sure it's locked in, core's locked in nice and tight. Same thing, maintain a rigid spine, keep your chest up nice and tall. All right, you're gonna bring the weight up and then get a full range of motion. Make sure you're driving the weight down as far as you possibly can comfortably go and then contract the weight back up utilizing a strong mind-muscle connection. So make sure your chest is doing all of the work. That's the key with all of these exercises, is really focusing on that mind-muscle connection, all right? And you wanna do that for 8 to 10 reps as well. You're gonna rest 60 seconds after your 8 to 10 reps and then get straight into your second set. All right, as soon as you complete your second set of the dumbbell incline press, you're gonna go straight into a wide push-up, all right? Wide stance push-up. Take your hands out really wide, rotate your wrists slightly so that your hands are facing, your fingers are facing slightly away from you, and make sure you're maintaining that strong core and a rigid spine, and bring the chest all the way down to the ground and press back up. Maintain that. Make sure you're not getting your hips down too low. You don't want your hips to be touching. You want your chest to be touching, all right? And same thing here, you're gonna be shooting for higher reps. So basically 20 to 30 reps of the push-ups. And this is immediately after you've done the incline press. So it's gonna be a little bit more difficult, but you're gonna get a lot of blood flow and lactic acid into your chest. So you're gonna get tremendous benefits. All right, Now, right after you've done your chest exercise, we're gonna go over and do a neutral grip pull-up, all right? Here's the thing, if you are beginning at a fitness level to where you can't truly do 8 to 10 reps of your own body weight, if you can't do 8 to 10 pull-ups, then it's okay to start with pull downs, all right? But your goal needs to be to build up to 8 to 10 reps of a neutral grip pull-up, all right? Because that's what I want you to really focus on. And when you're doing the pull-up, make sure you're doing your 8 to 10 reps, but you're also driving with your elbows. You're getting your elbows, you're loosening your grip slightly, and focus on bringing your elbows down to your sides and taking your chest up to the bar, all right? You wanna make sure you're getting a full range of motion. Don't shorten the contraction at all. Really drive those elbows down and into your sides, and then get a full stretch on the bottom, and then go straight back up into another full contraction, all right? You're gonna do 2 sets here of 8 to 10 reps as well. All right, immediately after your second set, you're gonna get into your fully contracted pull-up position, and then you're gonna maintain that. This is an eccentric, basically a negative pull-up. So you're gonna hold yourself up there as long as you possibly can. I want you to shoot for 20 to 40 seconds, all right? Really focus, when you're up there, really focus on driving those elbows down to the ground. That's the mental image I want you to create. That's gonna help give you that eccentric contraction. It's gonna be a tremendous contraction. You're gonna be fighting your body and fighting gravity to stay up there, but fight it as hard as you can and stay up there as long as you possibly can, all right? Now, once you've done that back exercise, you're gonna go straight into your shoulder exercise. So what we're gonna utilize is a dumbbell overhead shoulder press, okay? Key here, you wanna do this seated. So when you're seated, I want you to press your lower back into that pad, all right? Keep it there, keep your core nice and tight and engaged throughout every single rep. That's gonna help strengthen that spine and alleviate any tension on your lower back. So really focus on tightening your core. All right, now once you're there, go ahead and rotate your wrists slightly so that your palms are slightly facing one another. That's gonna also alleviate some stress from your shoulders and your elbows. So drive that weight up and then bring it down slowly, but get a good full range of motion. So bring it down as much as you can comfortably, all right? Don't go too deep if it's gonna hurt your shoulders. Take it down as far as you can comfortably go, and then drive the weight back up again. Once again, shooting for 8 to 10 reps. So 8 to 10 reps, rest 60 seconds, and then do your second set of 8 to 10 reps, all right? Immediately after your second set of 8 to 10 reps, you're gonna go straight into a pike push-up. But here's the difference. I want your feet to be on a bench. So this is a pike push-up that's designed to really hammer your delts, okay? It's gonna be a lot more delts, a lot less chest. So you wanna get your feet up nice and tall on a bench, bring your hands straight down, and then bring your head down to the ground, and then extend yourself back up using your shoulders. So really focus on the mind-muscle connection with this exercise as well, because your triceps are really gonna try to kick in, and they're gonna get fatigued, but you wanna make sure you're hammering those delts as well. Really focus on getting those shoulders. And basically what I want you to do here for reps is go max reps. If you can only do 10, do 10. If you can do 20, do 20. Just really challenge yourself. Really tell yourself this is the last exercise in your shoulders, so make sure you go all out and give it max effort. Create that extreme intensity. All right, now we're gonna get into blasting your arms. This is gonna be done in a superset fashion. So we're gonna utilize a cable system, and I want you to start with the cable curls. So get a cable apparatus, lower the bar, and then when you're doing your cable curls, pin your elbows into your side, get your shoulders back, chest out, and keep that position, all right? And really focus on getting a full contraction at the top of the rep. Rotate those wrists out as hard as you possibly can to get a really good peak contraction in your biceps. And you're gonna wanna do that for every rep. Make sure you get a full extension at the bottom, and then bring it up to a full contraction again. Shoot here for 15 to 20 reps. That's the difference with your arms. We're really gonna hone in on the 15 to 20 rep range, all right? So you're gonna do one set and go straight into the tricep push down. So take the cable apparatus up to the top, pin your elbows into your side once again, shoulders back, chest out, and maintain that same position throughout the full range of motion, all right? Also at the bottom, when you're getting your tricep contraction, focus on basically hyperextending your arms if you have to. Get a really peak contraction in those triceps within every rep. Get a full stretch at the top, another full peak contraction at the bottom. So do that 15 to 20 reps as well. Rest 60 seconds and then do your second set of the super set, all right? So that will really blow those arms up and really fill them full of lactic acid as well. All right, now for the last exercise to finish everything off. It's really gonna hammer that core. You're gonna wanna do dumbbell farmer carries. Here's the thing, with the farmer carries, your goal is to go as heavy as you can possibly go. Typically, your grip strength will give out before anything else does. So really hold on as hard as you can and shoot for 24 to 30 steps. All right, so you're gonna wanna go 24 to 30 steps, as heavy as possible. Keep that core tight, spine rigid, keep your head straight, and focus on walking straight and really focus on hammering, keeping that core nice and tight and engaged throughout every single step that you do. But all right, guys, this was a tremendous workout. I mean, it's gonna be 40 to 45 minutes. It's gonna give you tremendous benefits, all right? Metabolic boosting benefits, hormone boosting benefits, growth boosting benefits. You're gonna build muscle, lose fat. You're gonna get tremendous benefits out of doing this. So utilize it 2 to 3 times a week, depending on your fitness level, and you will see amazing results. But guys, if you have any questions about any of these exercises, about any of this workout, the structure of it, how to do things, if I need to clarify anything, then just comment below, leave a question. We'll get back to you. We'll make sure that you understand how to do it because I want you to implement this strategy. Also, there's another workout we're gonna give you guys. So make sure you check out the link in the description box where we're giving a free Ripped After 40 workout. So it's a part of my tremendous Ripped After 40 program. So you're gonna get another workout by going to that link and picking that one up as well. So make sure you do that. Also, guys, share this video with some of your buddies, some of your family members. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, then please subscribe to our channel and also give this video a like and a thumbs up. But guys, other than that, that's all I got for you. Get busy, get after it, and God bless.